Welcome to our video on the top 5 Fortnite tips for beginners in 2025. Fortnite has evolved so much over the years, and today, we're here to help you get a head start with some essential tips. Tip 1. Master the building mechanics. Building is crucial in Fortnite. Whether you're in a firefight or trying to escape, being able to build quickly and efficiently can change the outcome of a match. Tip 2. Choose the right landing spot. Landing in strategic locations can give you the upper hand, offering great loot and a better position as the game progresses. Tip 3. Use audio cues to your advantage. Pay close attention to sound. Hearing footsteps or building sounds can help you pinpoint enemy locations before they even see you. Tip 4. Familiarize yourself with new weapons and items. The game is always introducing new equipment. Understanding their uses can significantly improve your gameplay. Tip 5. Practice in creative mode. This is your best friend for skill building. Use it to practice building and combat techniques without the pressure of a live match. To recap, mastering building, choosing smart landing spots, utilizing audio cues, familiarizing yourself with new gear, and practicing in creative mode are all key to succeeding in Fortnite. Keep practicing, and you'll see improvement in no time.